Hello guys, in this video we're going to do the unboxing video of the new package that I got from Amazon, and I hope you guys like it. These are my first impression of the video on unboxing video. We're going to be doing the review video very soon, so stay tuned. Right now let's just do the unboxing video. Okay, seems very cool. I'll just throw these things away. As you can see, it looks really good. The Amazon Echo Show 5. Alright. As you can see, this is the barcode. It has Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line in, built-in camera cover. And it plays all sorts of videos, as you can see. And all sorts of services are provided in this. I intend to use it primarily for listening to my music because I really love music. I don't know why I'm away from music for so long. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this again. So here it is. Okay. It doesn't know how do we open this thing. Okay, I'm stupid. We get it. We're supposed to tear this from here. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, as you can see, it's out of the box. Looks really beautiful. Oh my god. So here's the package itself. Alright. And what else? Let's keep this aside for a second. What else do we have in this package? Is some instruction manuals. Probably we're going to never कभी इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. And this is the charging cable, and it is the standard charging cable, and we can basically charge anything from it. So 15 watts from the Amazon, really authentic. So as you can see, this is the device itself, and looks pretty neat. And there are the speakers behind this back. It's back, and we have charging cable, and we have audio jack in. I don't know what this is for right now. It looks like, and this is the camera shutter button, volume buttons, and we have the Alexa off button. We'll be talking about this in a review. I'll be posting the review video. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. Okay guys, so we have our first impression videos of the Alexa Echo Show 5, and as we can see, let's just jump right into it. You know what, let's take this off, although it will be covered with a lot of dust, so I would want no dust should enter this ever. So here it is. It's in the white packaging, and as I can see, I'm unboxing in front of you. It's really cool. Super cool as well. So here it is. Let me just plug this thing inside. As you can see, nothing happens. Yeah, we can see the Amazon logo. That's cool. Let's just wait for it. And the Amazon Echo logo. I would want a screen guard over this, definitely. Getting a device online, this may take a moment. Okay, nice. I would want to hide. Okay, this is taking a moment. See, previously in previous video I talked about unboxing this device. In this video I'm going to show you about the first impression and the setup. Let's see how it goes. Searching for network, as you can see. That's one, that's mine. Just give me a second. Okay, so we have, as you can see, there is a welcome. Echo Show 5 is now registered to Chica, and that could be the time zone. Let's keep it as a bedroom only. Yep, that's fine. You know what? No. Chica's Echo Show. You know what? Echo Show is enough because I don't have any other Echo Show in this now. Okay, let's just play this video.
Hi, we're glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here are 3 things to try first. Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, Alexa, play party songs.
Okay, playing party songs.
Number 2, try using the touch screen. Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, Alexa, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
Well, thank you. Almost done. I hope we can get it running.
This device is ready.
Fine. As you can see, we can see the time, and I guess it's set up. So, what could be the first song? Oh, you know what? I actually really like songs from Kabir Singh, so let's just ask Alexa to do it. Alexa, play songs from Kabir Singh.
Your album, Kabir Singh, on Amazon Music.
Now, due to copyright issues, I will not be continuing this video. Thanks for watching. Mr. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. So, as you can see, there are buttons that can turn off Alexa's voice recording, microphone and camera off. And I can obviously turn this off, shutter camera. I actually don't need this. So, thanks for watching this. See you till next time.